The Bilt World Elite Mastercard is the only card that lets renters earn rewards on rent payments without fees, all with no annual fee. That alone sets it apart. You get 1x points on rent up to 100,000 points a year, passive rewards you weren't earning before. 3x on dining, 2x on travel, and 5x lift, perfect for lifestyle spenders. You get double point rent day boost on the first of each month, up to 1,000 bonus points. No foreign transaction fees, built-in travel protections, primary rental car insurance, and phone insurance. Rewards are flexible. You get transfer one-to-one to airline and hotel partners, cover fitness classes, future rent, or even down payments. Now, if you pay rent monthly and you want tucked away value, that card is for you. If you dine out, travel, or ride Lyft frequently, or if you want travel level reward cards without fees, the Bilt Mastercard absolutely delivers. On all these fronts, it turns your rent into points, offers solid bonus categories, and backs it up with travel and insurance perks, all with no annual cost. Curious if it fits your spending habits or want help comparing it cashback cards or Firebase accounts? Drop a comment. I'll be happy to tailor the next deep dive. Catch you in the next video.